Hi, I'm Jean-Christophe SAKDAVONG from the University of Toulouse, and I will present you our food mixed reality experience that we have made with Anu, Bruno and Sami. I will tell you a few words about mixed reality. The virtuality continuum from Milgram and Kishino is showing you where is mixed reality. If you are coming from the real environment and you go to the virtual environment in the middle space, then you can find the mixed reality. The mixed reality is the space where you have a part of real environment and a part of virtual environment. In our case, we will augment the virtual environment with food and drink. So we will add tactile, tasty and smelly elements to a virtual reality environment. I will tell you a few words about existing mixed reality experiments with food. In this very large table that I will not comment, you can see what kind of food have been studied with mixed reality and virtual reality. It has been blue cheese, wine, beer, coffee, fruit juice, lemon cake, chocolate. And in these studies, they have seen how the environment or the appearance of a food could change the taste, the creaminess, the sugarness of the food, for example. And all these experiments are quite recent, you can see, about the years, but they all have used very old headsets. That's why we wanted to do something with more recent technology, which can have a better rendering, better recognizing of hands, and all better about virtual reality. Now I will present to you our mixed reality food experiment. There are two parts. On the first part, the virtual reality environment is an artistic one. The scene takes place in a noisy place with a table, a dish of cheese cubes and a glass of wine. This is the reality, but in the virtual reality, these things also exist. It's not changing of appearance, but you will see that when the user pick a cube of cheese, then the environment will change and will be a metaphoric environment about cheese fermentation. And when the user is drinking some wine, it's the same, it's another environment about the fermentation of which produce the wine. The reality and what I can see inside the headset. The environment has changed while drinking the wine. You can see the prepared food, the cheese here, and the glass of wine. Then I will pick a piece of cheese, and a new environment is coming about fermentation. I can see my hands grab some more wine, and then the environment again changes. The second part of our experiment takes place in the deep space, inside a cold planet with cold asteroids, which will be approaching, and there will be some food that the user can eat in mixed reality. First, the cold planets when they will be picked, there will be some sounds, and they have a different appearance in the virtual world, the virtual reality, and in the reality. They are made with chocolate mint bowls, and they do not look like this in the virtual reality. You will see. Then the temperature changes from cold to hot. There will be lava everywhere and new kind of food with a different appearance in virtual reality than in the real world. There will be kind of a fire, and in the real world it will be hot, spicy cheese balls. Let's see this.
You can watch all around you and eat the planets and asteroids when they start to move.
You can see the planets and the asteroid approaching. I'm watching them. And we are matching with the bird. The planet is very cold, and I'm eating a cold bowl. Then the temperature is changing. It's becoming hot and hotter. It seems the balls are moving, it's because I'm moving my point of view. Lava on the ground and the burning balls. They are hot. I can eat the second one. You can see the very thin calibration between virtual reality and the real world. These environments have been designed by the non-profit AD2RV Association, which I am the president. The headset we used is a Meta Oculus Quest 2, which is a very common headset, very popular one, and we also used the hand recognition in order to know where was the hand and the food